Heading to Cars and Connections. I'm gonna bring the M4 out because I am way too lazy to take out the Corvette. We need to wash this shit because this shit is dirty as fuck, but fuck it, whatever. Meeting up with a couple of homies, should be lit. A lot of supercars. It's actually the homie Chris that hosts these meets. He got pretty popular. Up there we got a McLaren. Probably can't see it. Oh, there's a C6. Already got an M2 right here. C6. Fuck, that's fire. Parked up, made it. Oh, another M4. I believe this is a Technica. Oh, I know it's a Huracan, but got the plaque right there. It's the event, Cars and Connections. Got a Ferrari. That interior carbon wheel. We got Kevin's M4 GTS. The comp wheels. That's sparkle. Got the roll cage. Got another Huracan. Got the homie Chris right there. This GT3 is fire. Look at the fitment. Look at the wrap on this thing. Made sparkles. C63 AMG. I believe this is a 6.2. These things sound insane. Right next to the GTR or GT. Look at the way these things both sparkle. Got a McLaren.
Electric Audi.
Andre brought out his lowrider. This thing's fire. Look at the trunk setup. Look how many batteries this thing has just to power the hydraulics. This is the dream car right here, Aventador. Here's the off-road one with the wide body. And then Chris's dad has an STO right next to a GT3. This guy's always around here. Always see this thing driving around. Carbon spoiler. That carbon spoiler is probably worth more than my car. Love this color on the Porsche. Ferrari. The wheels on this thing. Got a G82. I like this blue color. It's got the laser headlights. It's pretty fire. The homie Daly's Jeep. And I believe FRZ Media. So you just got this Beamer. Yep, there it is. FRZ Media. And then here's Cedric, Big Head Films. Got this F82 pre-LCI. I want a GTS hood for mine. Pretty fire though. On the comp wheels. Oh, there's the homie. Just picked up that new Type R. Got an M2 competition. Oh, and they're back. I think they went on a little test run. Think you're gonna stall it, buddy?
Huh?
Right next to, it's parked up next to my M4. Like I said, I want a GTS hood, just like that other one. Should look fire. He just picked up this thing. It's fire. How was the little test run?
It's fire.
Quick?
Yeah, it's quick.
Oh.
It's probably faster than Cedric's car. He goes early.
Is this thing faster than your car or what?
Oh yeah, Honda. I raced and I fucking lost.
Dang.
Shit's a cars.
F90 M5 hiding over here. I don't really see them in Austin yellow too much. He's got, I believe, Silverstone interior. Still fire. I love these taillights. M5 comp. This thing's amazing. There's Chris over there with his Vet. I think over here we got another M5, I believe. Oh, it's a comp too. These are definitely on the wish list one day. Cars are just so nice. The front end is so aggressive. I love the headlights on the F90. We got a G80 in this green color. Ooh, with orange interior. And it's the buckets. I don't know if you can really see. Full carbon diffuser. I don't know, what do you guys think about the grills? They've been kind of growing on me. Kind of an aggressive front end. I think I still prefer the F's chassis generation, but G series are definitely growing on me. Look at this M5. It's just so nice. That thing is loud. Got an M4 over there on Apex. This is the homie, and it's 335. Bro's got one exhaust tip. Don't ask him about the other one. What's up with the one exhaust tip? What is this?
It's called getting gifted shit eBay parts. Hold on, I got you.
Look, this is extra exhaust tip.
Back away from the shit box. Back away from the shit box.
There's the second tip.
Hey, this Burbo's hella, huh? Look at that. Ew.
Alex put that on. I don't know how much longer that's gonna last.
This is the famous 335 I heard.
Yeah, it's only last long.
Yeah, well, okay, relax. Yeah, it's literally with the law.
I think you're gonna need some new tape on that.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see the windshield. Let's
so-
check this thing out. Oh, not.
Happened very randomly. Literally the most random day I don't know.
Happened because we threw our friend onto the windshield.
What? Tell me why. This thing low key goes hard. I'm not gonna lie. A bag Tesla on some BBS wheels. These are the wheels I want for my M4. This thing goes hard. Oh, look at the homie. Yeah, he's definitely getting a motorcycle one day. But geez, look at this thing. I believe this is like a Model Y. Oh my god, this thing sounds insane. M4. Look at this fitment on a fat tire. Dang, carbon trunk. I think it's nice.
Like, generally, it's really good looking plate.
Yeah, this thing is sick. And it's manual. I just noticed.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Manual. Red guts on this thing. This thing is sick. What do you guys think about the G87? They're starting to grow on me. I think I like them better than the G80s, to be honest. Especially in black. The carbon roof goes hard though.
I took a couple photos and I wanted to find out who it is.
Just wait by the car, honestly.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing is tough. We got the homie LSX Vet right here. It's got a Grand Sport. It's got these cool taillights I've been seeing. I love the Morimoto headlights. Makes these cars look so much better, especially in darker colors. Dang, that thing is insane. Alright, let's see. Pimpin'. An electric Jeep. Oh shit, copyright music. Copyright music.
Nah, it's a SoundCloud. You're chilling.
Oh, SoundCloud. Alright, for sure.
But a trans tool looks like on a Wrangler.
Oh shit. Oh shit! Yo! Yo, why is this thing actually fast as hell? Launch control. Oh! Oh shit! Okay, hit the brakes. Majestic, man. Daily Visions Media. Look at how majestic.
Scared the fuck out of me.
So majestic.
Hey guys, welcome back to episode 11 of Black. Today we're going to be penetrating two petite, small white girls.
Yo.
Here's one of them. He's ready for penetration.
The guys are leaving. Thing is clean. Got the Ferrari leaving too. God, those things sound good. Homie Alex, he's making business calls right now. Look at him. Moves right now. Look at him.
I just closed a deal for like 500 grand.
500 grand. He's on the phone with Elon right now.
I'm on my Cybertruck getting recalled right now.
Oh, fuck. God. Still a couple people left here. Everyone's starting to head out right now. Meet's pretty much over. Brought the M4 into the shade. This thing needs a wash so bad. Look at the wheels. Freaking cooked. The Yas Marina.